Think ChatGPT is the peak of AI? Think again. There are tons of insanely advanced AI tools that make ChatGPT look basic. And in this video, I'll showcase 8 jaw-dropping AI technologies that will blow your mind with their abilities. So let's get started. Up first is Claude, an AI assistant created by Anthropic that makes ChatGPT seem rudimentary. Claude is designed to have natural, human-like conversations on any topic imaginable. Unlike ChatGPT, Claude has access to real-time information and events, so its knowledge is always up to date. Claude also allows you to customize different personalities, so you can get answers in different tones and styles. And with its voice interface, you can have conversations with Claude just by talking to it. Claude instantly responds with a real-time forecast for tomorrow in LA, providing details and context that ChatGPT simply cannot match. And the crazy part, this is just one of the many ways Claude demonstrates how much more powerful and versatile it is compared to ChatGPT. Anthropic has created an AI assistant that truly simulates natural conversation. Up next, we have Writer. Writer is an impressive suite of AI writing tools that can generate just about any type of written content imaginable. With Writer, you have an AI copywriter at your fingertips. So whether you need blogs, social media captions, landing pages, or advertising copy, Writer has a tool for it. Let's see this in action by having Writer generate a Facebook ad for us. I simply enter some basic prompts like a business name, target audience, and campaign goals. And within seconds, Writer outputs a well-written, on-brand Facebook ad that is optimized for clicks and conversions. The AI considers tone, length, keywords, and more. This is light years beyond the writing capabilities of ChatGPT. So with Writer, human quality writing for any purpose is as easy as a few clicks. No more writer's block. Number 3 is Durable's AI website builder. If you need a website, Durable is an AI tool that makes website creation astoundingly easy. Durable allows you to generate fully functioning websites through conversational prompts, with no coding needed at all. Simply describe the purpose of your website and ideal layout, and Durable will instantly build you a customized site complete with text, images, and all necessary pages. Let's see this groundbreaking tool in action. I'll say, Durable, please create a simple website for my new dog walking business. In mere seconds, Durable outputs a beautiful, mobile-friendly website for my fictional dog walking service with working pages like About, Services, and Contact. And everything is customized to my prompts. So with Durable, anyone can build a website in seconds without touching a line of code. ChatGPT seems primitive compared to this futuristic AI website builder. Next is Edify's Video Summarizer. So are you tired of wasting time watching lengthy videos to extract the key information you need? Edify is an ingenious Chrome extension that uses AI to automatically summarize videos for you. In just seconds, Edify analyzes videos and generates concise text summaries by removing all the fluff and filler. So let's see it in action. I have a 10-minute YouTube tutorial on how to use Excel formulas. I install the Edify extension, play the video, and click Summarize. Within moments, Edify presents me with a 1 to 2 minute readable summary, neatly highlighting the video's main points and most useful Excel formula tips. I just saved 8 minutes and got the essence of the tutorial without any wasted time. Edify's video summarization abilities blow ChatGPT out of the water. With this tool, you can gain knowledge much more efficiently by transforming videos into easily digestible summaries. It's perfect for students, professionals, or anyone short on time. Information consumers will never be the same. Number 5 is Perplexity's Advanced Search AI. If you want accurate information fast, Perplexity is for you. Perplexity is a search engine chatbot that scours the web to provide the most useful answers to your questions, along with links to credible sources. You can ask Perplexity anything and watch its answers blow your mind. Let's try, what is the population of Toronto? In milliseconds, Perplexity replies, the population of Toronto is 2.93 million as of 2020, according to Statistics Canada. Now let's try, what is the tallest building? Again, it instantly returns the answer, Burj Khalifa in Dubai, along with a link to verify. Perplexity's real-time search abilities combined with sourcing make it far more advanced than ChatGPT. Anytime you need fast access to factual information, Perplexity delivers. It even suggests related follow-up questions to dive deeper. Number 6 is Runway ML. This groundbreaking platform lets you edit images, manipulate video, and even turn text into photorealistic images through the power of machine learning. Runway ML puts advanced ML capabilities right at your fingertips. So let's see it in action. I can upload an image and use the ML tools to instantly replace the background, alter facial expressions, or apply sophisticated filters. I can also take a video and make it slow motion, remove objects, or stabilize shaky footage. Most incredibly, I can simply type a text prompt like a horse running through a forest, and Runway ML will generate a stunning lifelike image. The creative possibilities are endless with Runway ML's futuristic AI capabilities, because not only does this tool allow you to create AI images, but it also allows you to create AI videos and even edit images and videos using AI. Number 7 is Amazon Code Whisperer. For programmers, Amazon Code Whisperer is an unbelievable AI coding assistant. As you write code, Code Whisperer suggests complete lines and functions in real time based on context. This speeds up programming exponentially. Code Whisperer is aware of what you're coding and intelligently fills in code boilerplate for you. So let's see it in action. As I start typing Python, Code Whisperer predicts what functions and variables I need, as well as code syntax. It's like autocomplete on steroids. Code Whisperer actually writes the code for you. I just tab through the suggestions, and in minutes I have a fully functioning script that would have taken ages to manually type out. With support for multiple programming languages like Python, JavaScript, and Java, Code Whisperer ensures you have an AI pair programmer by your side. ChatGPT can't compare when it comes to advanced coding capabilities, and Code Whisperer is set to revolutionize programming because less time spent on coding means more time creating. Number 8 is Reimagine's home design AI. Imagine if you could instantly visualize a beautifully redesigned home just by describing what you want. That's exactly what Reimagine's incredible AI can do. Reimagine allows anyone to reimagine their home through conversational prompts. Simply describe the mood, style, colors, layout, furniture, and more that you envision, and Reimagine will generate photorealistic 3D renderings of your redesigned space. So let's see it remake a living room. All I need to do is tell Reimagine I want a cozy boho vibe, rattan furniture, and bold patterns. In seconds, it creates a gorgeous visualization of your dream living room. And if you want to, you can even tweak the prompts and refine the design. So with Reimagine, interior design and home remodeling is now faster, easier, and more accessible than ever. ChatGPT falls short when it comes to creative and visual applications like this. Reimagine harnesses the power of AI to turn your wildest home visions into stunning virtual realities with just words. And these are just a few of the many mind-blowing AI tools that are out there that make ChatGPT seem like old news. And if you want to learn specifically how to use AI in order to increase your income, be sure to watch this video right here, and I'll see you on the other side.